Hello everyone, welcome to the one more video on linked list, and this is going to be the problem number 328, which is on odd even linked list. So let's read the problem statement first. It says, given the head of single linked list, group all the nodes with odd indices together, followed by the nodes with even indices, and return the reordered list. So basically what we have to do is that we have one single linked list. Okay, we have one single linked list. We have to put uh the elements on odd indices and elements on even indices separately, and then we have to put them together in a separate linked list. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in example 1. So we have to put the elements on odd indices. So 1, 3, and 5 first, and then 2 and 4 are on the even indices. So we have to put them after the odd indices. So let's see how we can solve this problem. Let's just switch to the whiteboard first. Uh, so here we have, let's say we have a linked list, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to put 1 first because that's an odd index, 3, and then 5. So these three will go first because those are the odd ones. And after that, we have to put 2 and 4 following to the odd indices. So how we can solve this problem? We can create two separate linked lists first to sort the order and even indices together. So we can create two linked lists, two list nodes here, which will be odd head and even head, and both will be pointing to the start of the linked list. So we can create one statement or one condition here, which is if index modulus 2 is equals to 1. That means it's an odd indices. So if that is true, then we will insert that into odd head. And if it is not true, then we will insert it into the even head. And after that, we can put those two together. So I know it seems much bit complicated, but let's go through the code and we can understand how this is going to work eventually. So here we go. We'll go to the code. So we have, first of all, we have to define list node. List node star odd head is equals to new list node 0. And then list node star even head is equals to new list node 0. So here we have two lists, okay, odd and even. Now we need pointers which will point to these linked lists, and we are going to call them even and odd as well. So list node star even, and that will be pointed to even head, and then list node star odd, and that will be pointed to the odd head. Okay, and then we also need one current pointer which will go through the entire linked list. Current is equal to head. So there will be one more pointer here, which will be current pointer. Okay, so current pointer will traverse with the help of this statement. Current is equals to current next. And if it will satisfy this condition, then if it is satisfy this condition, it will satisfy this condition, then odd pointer, they're going to traverse the odd pointer. If it doesn't satisfy this condition, then we are going to traverse the even pointer. Okay, so let's go back to the code. First of all, let's define our index. So index is equals to is going to be I equal to 1. Now, while current, so we are going to run a while loop here. And then we need a if statement. And that if statement is going to be if I percentage 2 is equal to 1, then odd next is equal to current pointer, odds next is equal to current, and odd is equal to odd next. Okay. Now, if that is not satisfying, then we are going to do the same thing with the even pointer. So even next is equals to new list node current value, because so look, right now we have two separate linked lists, which is even head and odd head, even head and odd head. Okay. So we need to put those two together. So first of all, odd head is going to be ahead of the even head. So that's why we are doing this, so that the odd head linked list can have even head linked list after that. Okay. And then we are going to simply traverse the even next. Okay. Now, now that's our if statement. I think code is pretty much done now. All we need to do is I plus plus and then current is equals to current next. And outside of the while loop, we just need to make sure that odd heads next, odds next, which will be the last element of odd, is going to be even heads next. And then we will return odd next, odd head next. The reason we are returning this is because this linked list is the ultimate linked list or head linked list, because we are actually adding up together here. So let's try to run this. And yeah, as you can see, it is passing all the test cases. And this was the solution of this particular problem. So yeah, thank you so much.